I flew in from Austria about 3 hours ago, and I'm here now at the Grammy Nominations Award Ceremony. I can just be one place one day and one place the other. I need some sleep, actually.
But you've got a nomination.
I have a nomination, so it was worth it all. It was great to be here and to be in between records because I just started on my new record, and to have a nomination is such a fantastic boost of confidence still.
You got one last year, too.
Yeah, this one is the same category for Best Female Pop Performance, I believe. And
that's a big category.
It is a big category. I think Beyonce's in it, Pink's in it, Taylor Swift's in it, so it's nice company. I would be happy with any of those ladies to go home with my award. Any of them.
Now, what do you guys do when you're in company like that? Do you guys all reach out to each other and say hello? Or
Claws come out. Bitch, you better not take my award, I'll call you. No, we're cordial and politically correct and loving and send flowers to each other. No, we don't. No, I love Taylor. I would tell her happy nominations because she got a lot, and so did Beyonce, which is amazing. That record is amazing and much deserved. And I saw Pink in Australia on her tour, and she just has come so far. So everybody, I think, in that category, I think I'm missing maybe a couple or one, but whoever they are, I think everybody is well deserved.